Good morning, students. It's English time. We are here to learn the poem A Legend of the Northland. Okay? Yesterday I told you the story that it was this poem is set in polar region, or we can say Northland, and this area has long hours of winter, long days of winter, and the summer duration is very short. And the reindeers, they carry the sledges, and then the story starts that there was a saint named Saint Peter who was moving from one place to another, and he was preaching. While preaching, he reached to the door of a cottage. Okay, where did he reach? To the door of a cottage where a little woman was making cakes. क्या बना रही थी वो लेडी? केक्स बना रही थी. Then he was feeling very hungry. He was feeling very weak because he could not have anything to eat for long hours, and he asked the lady to give him some only one cake to eat. But come to the next stanza now, page number 66. Come to the next stanza. So she made a very little cake, but as it baking lay, she looked at it and thought it seemed too large to give away. Just think what is her thinking here. What did she think? She thought that she should make a small piece of cake, and still she found that it was a very big piece of cake, big piece of the cake. Okay? So she prepared a very small cake, but as soon as she started baking, she found it quite a big one. उसको लगा कि तो कितना बड़ा पीस है, देना भी है और इतना बड़ा पीस है. So she found it very big piece to give away. उसको लगा कि इतना बड़ा पीस तो कैसे दूँ. उसने हालांकि एक अलग पीस छोटा बेक किया, but she did not find it suitable to give away. Okay? Now, next stanza. Therefore, she kneaded another. K word is silent here. Knead means knead मतलब आटा गूंदना. Therefore, she kneaded another, and still a smaller one. But it looked, when she turned it over, as large as the first had done. So difficult for her to give away a piece of cake to a saint even. So what did she do now? She kneaded another flour. दूसरा आटा उसने थोड़ा लगाया, बहुत कम आटा लगाया, आटे को गूंदा, and she baked still a smaller one. A small piece of cake was baked by her then, and still it looked, when she turned it over, as large as the first had one. Okay? So what did she find? She found it large as the previous one. इतना छोटा बनाया नया पीस भी, लेकिन फिर भी उसे लगा रहे तो बहुत बड़ा है. Then she took a tiny scrape of dough and rolled it flat and baked it thin as a wafer and she couldn't part with that. अब क्या हो गया? Now she took very small part of it and she rolled it flat. जैसे रोल करते हैं ना रोटी बनाने के लिए. She rolled it flat. रोल कर लिया, फ्लैट कर लिया. And when she looked at it, she turned it over and she baked it thin as a wafer. जैसे वेफर्स होते हैं, you must have you are very much familiar with this wafers. It is a very thin edible item. चाहे हम उसको पोटैटो से बना लें, चाहे बिस्किट्स के बना लें, बहुत थिन लेयर जब किसी एडिबल आइटम की हम बनाते हैं स्नैक्स के फॉर्म में, इट इज़ कॉल्ड वेफर्स. सो यू मे फाइंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बिस्किट्स और चॉकलेट्स, वेफर चॉकलेट्स और पोटैटो वेफर्स, such items which are very thin in composition. So she found. Then she took a tiny scrap of dough. छोटा सा टुकड़ा उसने डो का, आटे का लिया. Then rolled it flat. उसको बिल्कुल फ्लैट रोल कर दिया. Then baked it thin as a wafer. वेफर की तरह से, पतले से वेफर की तरह से उसको बेक कर दिया. But she couldn't part with that. लेकिन फिर भी उसकी देने की हिम्मत नहीं हुई. She could not have that much courage to give even that small part of cake to the saint. Okay? So this way, for she said, क्या कहा उसने? My cakes that seem too small when I eat of them myself, and yet are yet too large to give away. So she put them on the shelf. अब क्या किया इसने? Very selfish. She was proving herself. So what did she do? She found. What did she say? That when she eat the cakes herself, when she eats the cake herself, she finds them very easy to eat, very small in size. जब वो खुद खाती है तो उसे लगता है वो बड़े छोटे हैं पीस. So she reasons, वो खुद कारण बताती है, that cakes seemed small when she made it for her consumption. जब अपने कंजम्पशन के लिए बना दी तब तो वो उसको बड़े स्मॉल नज़र आ रहे हैं. बट सीम्ड ऑल टू बिग टू बी गिवन अवे फॉर चैरिटी. उसको लगा कि तो सेंट को देने हैं, दूसरों को देने हैं खाने के लिए. सो शी फाउंड दैट साइज वेरी बिग. एज ए रिजल्ट शी एंडेड अप कीपिंग ऑल द baked cakes in the shelf. And finally, she could not bear to give away this piece of cake to the saint. Okay? She could not part with it. Okay? Then she took a tiny scrap of dough and rolled it flat and baked it thin as a wafer and couldn't part with that. उसने फिर नया बनाया बिल्कुल पतला वेफर के जैसा, लेकिन फिर भी देने की उसकी हिम्मत नहीं हुई. For she said, और तब उसने कहा, my cakes that seem too small when I eat of them myself. When she thought that when she used those cakes for her own consumption, she found the size very small. But when the turn comes to give to the others, to the sand. She found it very big to be given. Got it? So she here in this stanza, the poetess wants to say that here in this stanza, this character of this story, she found it very difficult to give a piece of cake to a person who really needed it. When the turn of charity comes, it becomes very difficult for someone to give away the things. Okay? So it is enough for today. We will continue with the rest part of the poem tomorrow also.